Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rose. Today's video, we're going to be reviewing a lash cluster brand, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this brand. It is from TikTok. You might have heard of it because it's actually super popular on there. It is called Youluck DIY clusters. This is what it looks like. Off of first impression, the lashes are very wispy, very full. The band is actually super thin than what I'm used to, so I'm interested to see how that's gonna work and how long that's gonna last. For today's look, I kind of want to do my regular lash mapping, which is a doll eye, so longer in the center and then shorter in the inner and outer corner. In this kit, we have the lashes, of course. Like I said, the lashes are super wispy. They do have some curl in them. From my knowledge, because y'all know I'm a lash tech, I feel like it's giving D curl and maybe some CC curl. There's definitely a mixture of curls, which gives off like fullness and wispiness and all of that. So I'm excited to use these lashes. Also in the kit, we have the bond and the sealant. And it looks like any regular sealant. It has the dual side. Next, we have the remover. And the remover also gives very much regular. It has the rigid ends. Very similar to any other DIY lash cluster kits. And last but not least, we have the tweezers. Now, y'all know how much I do not like to use the tweezers that comes with these kits. Although it is the same as every other lash cluster kits that are out there, I still want to give this a try, and if it doesn't work, I'm just going to use the one I regularly use. But we're going to give this a try and see how it is. So like I said, I'm going to be using the regular lash map that I always use. I think we're going to do 10, 12s, 14, 16, 16, and then back down to 14s. All right, let's get into these lashes. Alright, you guys, so this is what I am starting off with. Bare lashes. I don't have any makeup on my lashes. They are super duper clean, which is very important if you want your lashes to last a little bit longer. I know lash clusters don't last as long as we want them to last, but a good way to help them last a little bit longer is to make sure you start off with clean lashes, okay? So I got my lashes right here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the bonder. So I applied this kind of like a mascara, and as y'all could see, with just one dip, it had a lot of product on it. I'm pretty sure it's because I just opened it. It's brand new, it's fresh out the box, so the glue is not as tacky. But the more I use it, I wonder if the formula of the glue will stay like that, because if it does stay like that, that's a really good thing. Okay, that's a really good thing. That probably means that the lashes will last a little bit longer. All right, let's go ahead with the first lash. We have 14. Now we're gonna jump to 16s. We're gonna add another 16. I like it. So far, I'm liking it. Okay. Not disappointing. Should I do another 16? Let's do another 16. Let's do another 16. I'm not even gonna lie, this is sticking so good. Like, the bands are sticking really good. Now we're gonna go in with the 14s. Now we're gonna add 12s. I stop right here? Okay, I feel like this is good to stop. Like, I don't want to go too far in the inner corner because then it's going to be uncomfortable. Wow, this is really nice. So we're going to go ahead with the sealant. And I'm kind of excited to see if they have like the fall. Yay! I love these applicators because it makes it so easy for the sealant to actually get to the glue of the lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it from the bottom. I know some people say don't apply it from the bottom, but I don't really see how I can apply it from the bottom. I mean from the top. And I'm also going to add a little bit of product on the tweezers. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just press it on there. Alright you guys, I'm all done with this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one and get back to the review. Alright you guys, this is how the lashes came out. I really like this brand. I love the glue. It sticked on really good. The glue is actually much more watery than the other brands, but like I said, I think that's a good thing because the lash cluster bands are super thin but still dark. I think that gives it a much fuller look, and the lashes are really fluffy. I like that a lot. Only thing I don't really like about it is that it's super curly. I like lashes that are a little bit on the straighter side, but if you are someone who likes the curly look, this is definitely for you. As far as mapping, I usually do 10 through 16 in a doll eye, but I did 12 through 16s. So my inner corners are 12s, my outer corner is a 14, and the center is 16. Feel free to steal that if you want the same look. All of the information on this brand will be in the description down below. And I do have a coupon code if you decide to purchase it so that you can achieve this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the sunrise. Bye, y'all.